Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set goals in HubSpot. So first go to www.hubspot.com and log in with your account. Click continue with Google and select your account. From here you can click to settings icon, and on the left side you will see goals option. If you can't find it, you can even search it. So let's search for goal. Here you can see goal settings. Click on there. Now since I don't have access, I cannot show you exactly how you can do it, but if you have the access, you'll get this, some type of this, and from here you can define your goal, and that way you can create your goal in HubSpot. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.